We're getting into it.
All right, back to Slipknot.
Yeah, it's his fault. All this is his fault. Such a good riff. So those things where you, in a crowd, you're like bouncing, ready to explode.
Hell fucking yeah, I'm too old for this shit.
Yeah.
My head hurts.
Lethal Weapon. Oh, you nailed it. Nice.
I love it.
So good. And every song's chorus is excellent.
Yep.
Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh, so good. You even had the foot motion down. Nice. You even got the... Nice. Damage done. Damage done. Damage done. Bring the hook is coming back.
Double fucking pedal, man.
What an explosion. I was at the same time. Slipknot completely drowned out the plane. But, good God, man. That song, too. That's technically like the first song. That one's a prelude.
Yep.
Holy shit. If that doesn't...
Like I said, open the doors. Welcome.
Fuck. That's craziness. Song 2 or 1, whatever. That's crazy. It's so much. It's like doing a keg stand, but while you're upside down doing a keg stand and chugging, you're also snorting a line of coke with a Monster energy drink poured in your ass. It's like, good Lord, that whole time. It's like, Jesus Christ. Am I wrong or maybe too descriptive?
Maybe too descriptive, but I mean, damn on the money.
I don't know that one, but yeah, good God, and that's crazy. That
was even more screaming. I'm really starting to worry about myself.
Yeah, you went to sleep as a child listening to this. True, it's true.
Not as a child. I mean, I was a teenager. Only my developmental years, you know.
Yeah, well, yeah, the things that matter as becoming a man. That's true. Man, it's a great song though, and like.
But yep, thank you for watching. You know, we'll be back next time. I'm tired. No.
Oh, you're done. Yeah, you're done after song 2. Fuck, that's what I mean. Holy shit. And that's a song. When I went to their concert, they opened with that. It started with like
I'm jealous. I've never been to a Slipknot concert.
Really crazy, man. They, the stage, and they had like the big tarp blanket thing covering the stage, so you can't see the band setting up. And it's got a big Slipknot S symbol, and you don't. They started playing like just like the DJ tracks, like weird sound effects, so you know that it's almost time.
Yep. While the band's kind of getting on stage and warming up and shit.
Yep, and getting ready.
Yeah, and a little fucking.
Yep, yeah, you can hear like just fucking around. Exactly, and didn't know what song it was, and then before they dropped the S, you heard the. Dun, 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 dun. And then it was Clown by himself, was standing in front of the tarp.
That is awesome.
With like a little drummer boy type of snare attached to him.
Like a marching snare.
Yep.
Yeah.
And he was... And so everyone knew what song was about to happen.
Yep.
And as soon as it dropped, the whole tarp dropped and the fucking place erupted. Yeah. We gotta go to a Slipknot concert next time they're in the area, man. It's been too long.
Do they still perform these songs at their concert?
I bet some. Not all, because they got so many albums now they have to like mix in the best.
I know, that's what I mean. They got to mix in the best and also plug anything upcoming and new. Yep.
So you get a lot of the new stuff. But the ones you know you're going to get Wait and Bleed.
Yep.
You good? Yeah, Wait and Bleed's probably going to be the last song they play at every show, I would assume. Right? Or Unsainted, because it's new. But I would assume Wait and Bleed's going to be the last song they play.
Yeah.
And Spit It Out's going to be right there in the middle with the jump the fuck up, and everyone erupts. So good. All right, buddy. I'm sharing out 3-0. Well, speaking of the last song, though, with the theories, the drunken theories about how I thought this was their last album.
Yep.
Was the chorus of the last one where he was like, he's just another number, because they all have numbers, and he doesn't equal up to any of you. It was like, damn, you guys beefing? Like, it just seemed. And then he even said, like, he goes away, then he comes back to pick up the pieces, because he was doing Stone Sour. So it was like, he goes away, does Stone Sour, and then comes back and picks up the pieces that is Slipknot. Like, it just sounded like a lot of beef.
It could be. It could have been. Well, it could have been.
I could be overthinking. Drunken theories.
I mean, probably. Absolutely.
Yeah.
More than likely. But, I mean, to run with it, yeah, you could be on the right path here. I mean, he could have been trying to pick up the pieces with
Stone Sour then.
Stone Sour.
Yep, that's true.
Yep, and he maybe thought he had to leave Slipknot and end it, and it might be over as a whole.
That's a good point.
It could have been a discussion they had before, and then sometime after their production or release or whatever, they said, why can't we just do both? Facts.
Yeah, because then Joey Jordison ended up doing Murder Dolls, like a side little band. So it was like, yeah, everyone could do little other things. Slipknot doesn't release albums that often to where you all always need to be together.
Yep.
It's not like Metallica, who that's all they do. 3-0. You guys ready for more conspiracy theories once this one's over? Yeah.
This is number 3. On video.